The female will dig burrows to lay eggs, preferably in sandy or loose soil and in full sunlight. Once the burrows are complete, they will search the trees for cicadas. Once located, they will paralyze the cicada and fly it back to the nest, drag it into the ground, and place it with the eggs. Lawns with thick grass are usually a deterrent. These cicada killers need to fight with the tall grass, wasting energy. The tall grass also makes it hard to locate the right nest. The cicada killer is an independent wasp. However, they can nest in the same location and in close proximity to each other, looking like a colony. Since there is no colony to defend, they are not very aggressive, unless they are in physical distress. The most intimidating thing about cicada killers is their size. Their sting can be painful, but it's rare. Brought to you by Creature Control.